Hello everyone, hope you all are safe. Today we are back with another interesting activity for our 5 years or above. Yes, today we are continuing with tens and ones. Before that, a small request, please like and subscribe our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Hope you have liked our previous video on tens and ones. That was an introductory video of tens and ones. Let's start the activity. Okay, give this sheet to your little one. Surprise. Yes, these things are very important to develop interest or to keep holding their interest throughout the activity. And what is there in this box? Okay, Rajma beans. Let your child open this. Number 1, let them read. What are we going to do with Rajma beans? Ask your child after your child read this. Count. Okay, that's right. Step 2. Okay, count 12 beans. 1, 11, 2, 12. Done. Now let your child open the next step. Okay. How many tens and ones? 12 has how many tens and ones? For this, provide this material to your little one. This big container is for tens and this small container is for ones. I repeat, do this activity after introducing tens and ones, which we did in our previous video of tens and ones. The link is available in the description section and you can check in iTech as well. Probably child will start making group 1, 2, 9, 10, 11. If child does 11, what are you supposed to do? Okay, 11, you are putting this 11 or you are, okay. Now, can you put this 11, group of 11 in this tens? Ask your child. Let your child think that can you put this group of 11 in this tens? Okay. And if you take out one bean, now 10 is there in the small container, group of 10 beans. Now can you put this in big container? Yes, this big container accepts only group of 10. Right? Now what about these leftover beans, these 2 leftover beans? Let your child answer and let your child put this in one's container. How many tens you can see in this? How many tens you can see? 1 tens, right? One group of tens is there, so 1 tens. Okay, how many ones you can see? Okay, 2 ones. Okay, let's repeat this activity with another number. Give another sheet to your little one to open. Surprise. Okay. Are you enjoying this activity? Yes. What is our aim today? Let your child answer that what is the aim of doing this activity. Probably you will get the answer telling tens and ones, counting the beans, telling tens and ones. So you have to direct your child to the answer. Yes, we have to identify tens and ones in each given number. Count 27 beans, right? 1, 2, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Yes, our aim. How many tens and ones? So, let your child separate tens and ones. 1, 10. Okay. 1 tens, 9, 10. One more tens. Now, one, 7 ones. Now, let your child fill these blanks. How many tens? 2 groups of 10 beans each. 2 tens, right? How many ones? How many loose beans are there? 7 ones, right? Repeat this activity with 30, the number ending with 0. Repeat this activity with different numbers, 45, 56. Do as many times as you want. Now repeat this activity 4-5 times. Depending upon the response, you can move on to worksheet. If the response is satisfactory in this activity, then you can move on to the worksheet. We will be discussing the follow-up worksheet of this activity in separate video. So please stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.